What's up? It's Mick here, and today, unfortunately, my wife is sick, so I'll be cooking the tacos from HelloFresh. Stay tuned. All right, so right here, I'm basically getting ready to prep all the vegetables. I start with the onion. I'm gonna put half aside for later. I'm gonna pickle those. The rest of the other side of the onion, I'm gonna finely chop. See my dice work going on, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you be careful. You have a sharp knife and take your time with this. I sped it up a little bit, so I'm not really going as fast as what you're gonna see. Man, those onions, man, they were strong. Had my eyes watering. My daughter was like, "Are you crying?" So I'm just finely chopping these onions. The finely chopped onions, they're gonna go into the meat. So we'll go ahead and slide that to the side. I'm gonna just I'm not gonna finely chop these onions. I'm just gonna leave them chopped like this. Put them in that bowl, and I'm gonna pickle them with the white wine vinegar. Add a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and that's just gonna sit for the duration until we get ready to eat. All right, so I'm about to just cut this lime up. I'm gonna use half of it's gonna be for my crema, and then I'm just gonna make little wedges. We ended up using more lime. Gots to have the lime squeeze on the tacos. All right, so here's the poblano pepper. I'm just gonna cut the ends off, and I'm gonna gut it. Here's where I got smart. Went and got a bowl. So like, let me put my trash in that bowl. So the goal is to use the whole pepper. So I use the end, both ends. Try to finely chop this as best as possible. So what I'm doing right now is I'm getting ready to gut the pepper. Yeah, we can get rid of all of that right there. Like I said, make sure you're being safe when you're cutting, especially with this knife. It's a Cutco knife. It's super sharp. Alright. So here I'm making my slices. I'm getting ready to dice this thing up. There we go. Look at that knife work right there. Alright, so my poblano pepper is pretty much diced up how I want it. Set that to the side. And we can go ahead and get some of the cilantro. The cilantro doesn't have to be finely diced, just diced enough where you can sprinkle that on your taco. Cilantro is gonna kick that taco off. It's gonna bring all the flavors together. Alright, so that looks pretty good. I'm gonna just go ahead and move that to the side. Alright, so got these Roma tomatoes. Slice these tomatoes, and I'm a gut these tomatoes as well. Trying to take it nice and easy. I want to make sure I don't waste any of the part of the tomato that I want. Basically about to dice these tomatoes up as well. At this point, the aroma of all the vegetables is like amazing. Smells so good right now. Everything's so fresh.
All right,
So here's it.
Vegetables are.
Here's the results.
Prep. Yeah, these vegetables
Prep
are
time
prep.
did
It
take
took
about 10 minutes as
rough.
what was said. So now we're about to get ready to get into this meat. Boom. Putting a little salt and pepper on this pork. Go ahead and mix that on up. Close up of this poke. Y'all see it? Boom. So pork is basically almost cooked. Go ahead and throw that poblano and the onions in there. Saute them up a little bit till it's soft. Added the meat back. Throw a little tomato paste in there. Mix that on up. It's like I'm mixing without mixing. There you have it. That's the meat with the poblano and the onions. I made a crema, which was real good. Drizzle that on there. Here's what it looks like. Alright, so now that our tacos are done and you saw what it looks like, it's time to do the taste test. Here we go. We'll take a big bite. As delicious as everything I thought it was gonna be. Anyways, I'm gonna probably have about 5 of these jokers. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on any other food you want to see us cook and taste. Peace.